Hi guys, I'm back again. Yeah, took a small break. My last videos didn't really blow up, so I had to come back stronger. Anyway, quick question. Why does your stomach randomly make weird noises? Like you're sitting in complete silence and suddenly your stomach starts making sounds like it's talking. It's not always because you're hungry. Those sounds are actually caused by movement inside your stomach and intestines. Food, liquid, and gas all moving around. Even when your stomach is empty, it still does this. In fact, it can get louder when you're hungry because there's nothing to absorb the sound. So yeah, your stomach isn't being weird, it's just doing its job. Just very loudly sometimes. Subscribe if you want more random things explained in a way that actually makes sense.